Hey guys, it's me Lee Champs back with another Brawl Stars video after a month or so. So guys, in today's video I have lot many things to do guys. You would have seen in the start I unlocked the pin pack, and then I'll show you guys how I unlocked what is Brawler Edgar, and with some box openings, as well as I'll play it out to complete my quest in Gem Grab, and then we'll unlock Santa Mike guys, the coolest skin of Dynamite, for me at least. I'll get Santa Mike and then we'll later play a match with it also. So let's start today's video. First off, after unlocking Edgar, let's jump into matchmake in Gem Grab. It's a pretty decent brawler, well balanced. No, it's OP. Not that OP, but yeah, it's strong. It's quite. Oh my god. What is this? 2 Edgar, a Lou, 3 Edgars in the opponent side. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Jump. Okay. The attack looks like this. The super looks like this. I've been auto aiming the super all the previous game, especially all game long. I can't say it exactly. Okay, we'll have to win. We'll have to win. I have already leveled it up to power 6. So I never need to mind it. I'll be getting the star power soon, someday soon rather. Its attack reload speed is guys too fast. By the way, my teammate, yes, wow. Okay, he's dead. Have to get some kills. Too bad with Edgar. Kill indeed. Okay, countdown starts. Yeah. Oh, it is this way. Try something. Flexing my. Okay, okay. It's not only me having Edgar, right? Everyone has it. He'll be dead. He'll be dead soon. Okay, save my teammate. He jumping. Okay, let me also jump. Equally fast. And guys, Edgar, this brawler crashed the game. This brawler caused too many disturbances in the Brawl Stars server. Too strong Edgar, too strong Edgar. It never looks like a brawler to me. It's pretty rough strong. Jump, jump, jump. Let me run away. That was tricky. Wow. Okay, wait, the losing animation, guys. Stop it, I can't see it anymore. Scarf hitting Edgar's heads, right. So, finally we get that win. Should we try out? Let me see the map and. Okay, so let's try out Santa Mike, guys. The moment to unlock Santa Mike, guys. Shall I go for it? Shall I? Yes, I should. Santa Mike, guys. Let's have a screenshot for it. Santa Mike. Wow. Wow. My dream skin, guys. It'll be gone forever. So if you haven't grabbed it yet, be sure to grab it. Yes. Up next, let's go for the Santa Mike try in Scottstone in solo, and I'll flex it out. Okay, so it's solo. Let me try out some double jumps if I'm that good with Dynamite, but I amn't that good. Why? Normal Dynamite. Okay, he wants to team up with me. Let's have it. my god, was he betraying me? Let me show him my double jump skills if I have some. No, I'm missing my double jumps. Let's oh wait, somebody in this bush. Modus, a dead hard controller. Dynamite. Modus, okay. Wait, I can't die. Wait, this is a great kill, guys. Okay, let me show him my dyna jump skills. No, again a Modus. Wait. Does it go on to team up with me? My gadget was not activated, guys. Oh wow. The dynamite, a normal mic, and me a Santa mic. Wait. The Modus 2 wants to team up with us, but I won't because he's a Modus maybe. The entire map wants to team up with us, guys. Let's get him a kill. Let's try some double jump standing. Wait. Yeah, you don't want to team up. The entire map wants to team up with me. Or rather us. Is that Mike dead? Is that Mike? Wait, the Dynamite is dead. Who is the imposter here? Is it the Modus? The Modus is killing up everyone, guys. The Modus deserves to die, and this is a GG win. GG win? Good game, rather. So let's hop into another game. Let's play again. This is a cool skin to be flexed out with randoms. Daryl beside me. And guys, I didn't want to make this video until and unless I have 200 subs, but I had to make it now. So guys, why aren't you subscribing? Only few of you watching out my videos are subscribed to my channel. So guys, come on, be sure to subscribe my channel. Okay, if you don't subscribe, I die this way. And if you subscribe, I get saved this way. So the deal is upon you. But guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Where's a Tara? Money. Oh. Okay, the Tara was camping. So yeah, guys, a win and a loss. You would have seen the winning as well as the losing animations. So let's wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye, guys. See you guys in the next video.